All right, what's up guys? Got another one for you. So this one's gonna be a mod video, not so much a meat. But I'm super hyped for this one. Actually, before we jump into the car, check this out. That's clean, huh? Bet. But all right, yeah, so got the trunk open, so you already know the battery's gonna be unplugged. This is not gonna be a tutorial video. There's plenty of tutorials about how to do what I'm about to do. But I guess we'll jump right into it. One of my least favorite things about the Supra is the steering wheel. So it's gotta go. I see what they were trying to do, how they did the red up the sides to kind of match the door and the seats. But I'm not really a fan of how it comes together. I think it would have been cleaner maybe if they would have did all red or whatever. But other than that, they made the steering wheel so narrow, it just feels terrible in your hands. So gonna try and fix that today. This will be my first time doing something like this. This will be my first time with a new steering wheel ever, but let me show you guys this thing. All right, there it is, guys. Let's see, so right off the bat, got some carbon in there, got the red 12 o'clock stripe, got a little bit of red stitching on there. I'm so hyped, but it's a lot thicker. It's gonna have better grips. It's got the flat bottom. Cool. I think the new steering wheel is gonna work really good in here because we got the carbon going there. I think the red will go with the rest of the interior and the black will go with the rest of the black interior, of course. But yeah, let's throw this thing on, see what we got. Guys, if you could just leave me a like, a comment. If you're not subscribed, please throw me a subscribe. Got merch linked below. If you could check that out for me, it really helps to support the project and support the activities so I can keep some good content coming for you guys. Appreciate you guys. See you in a bit. All right, guys, here's a quick comparison. I think you can see the difference in beefiness, like that versus that. It might actually be tough to come across through camera, but pretty confident I can see it here. Can definitely feel it. And you can definitely see it like in the bottom corners right there. Like, what is that? Boom, beefier everywhere. Look at that. But yeah, a little side by side. So hyped. Got my little helper here with me. Yeah, say what's up, bud. Okay, cool. All right, guys, I got the steering wheel in place. Oh man, it actually took me 2 hours on the dot. Not terrible. It wasn't hard, but it wasn't easy. Oh man, it was kind of tough. What I do recommend, get you a pry tool, something like this. There's 3 rubber pieces inside of the Supra steering wheel. I wouldn't recommend just trying to pull those things out. You got to pry them out or you're going to kill your thumbs. So yeah, I would recommend that pry tool. Otherwise, pretty straightforward. It always helps to have right tools and the optimal tools. It just makes your life so much easier. I'm feeling it though. Y'all feeling it? Let me know below. Let me know if you hate it. It feels so good. It looks good. Can't wait to drive it. I think it just rained, so might not be able to take it out, but we'll see. Another thing I recommend, guys, I had a couple bags of salt. So put them on one side of the wheel to keep it from turning when you're trying to break that bolt loose that holds the steering wheel to the car. Got 1 bag of salt on this side. 2 bags on this side. And you'll kind of be able to tell like where you need to place the bags on the wheel so that the wheel does not turn. Dang, look at the carbon on the mirror with the carbon on the wheel. That's wild. Boom. Yeah. Insane. All right, guys. testing out the new steering wheel. It's actually kind of scary to get a new steering wheel and install it yourself, because I was looking at the forums and they were like, when you first start the car, do it while your body's like out of the car. So like reach in and start the car, put your foot on the brake, reach in. And so the next post was like, is the airbag gonna blow out when you start the car? So that was a little nerve-wracking. So the airbag did not blow out, but now I'm like, I need to try the functionality, and now I'm scared to press the horn. But if I do this, it'll be with you guys. If the airbag blows out, you guys will see it firsthand, and then I guess just come check on me. Hopefully I don't knock all of my teeth out. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Okay, so we survived a horn press. Let's see, try some different modes here. You guys probably can't see too much, but if I catch this stuff. All right, downshifts work, upshift works. Okay, I don't even know this road, so I'm just kind of driving blind to some nice houses in there. Let's see. So yeah, it looks like it was a success. Appreciate you guys watching another one. Sorry if I'm harping on it, but I would love it if you guys could throw me a sub, throw me a like, throw me some feedback. Check out my IG link below. Check out my merch link below. Yeah, let me know what else you guys like to see, or what you feel like. This is a huge neighborhood, or what you feel like I might be able to do differently. I appreciate everyone who's been watching and providing feedback and just supporting me and the channel. It means a lot. You guys take care. Got more on the way if the video doesn't end here. More car content to come. Got a huge automotive weekend this weekend. If you guys are still watching, got a huge automotive array of events this weekend. So have some good stuff on the way. Stay tuned. Peace.